Two physics classes we offer here are college physics, which is a dual credit class through Hawkeye Community College, and just the regular physics track. And both of those cover about the same topics. The first semester is what we call kinematics and dynamics, which focuses on motion, momentum, and energy. And second semester gets into wave motion, electricity, and magnetism. The bridge building came in a unit that focused on Newton's laws of motion, and more specifically static equilibrium, the idea that if all of the forces are balanced on something, it remains at rest. And so the students had to design a toothpick bridge that ideally would be in static equilibrium. So when we tested it, when we put weight on it, it wouldn't move, it wouldn't break. And so they had pretty well-defined specifications that they had to follow in designing their bridge and coming up with a plan for that. It's a challenging project. For students, first of all, there's a challenge of just coming up with a decent design, but then at least as big a challenge is figuring out how to glue the toothpicks together to get them to stay in the shape and the design that they'd like. And that's not easy when you get into different fields, probably mostly in engineering and maybe architecture, where you have to design structures that are going to withstand large forces and not move, not break. So it would relate to those areas.